A minimalist flat edit is clean, calm, and ideal for product photography or modern social feeds. Start by lowering contrast so the tones feel evenly distributed and soft. Reduce clarity slightly to give surfaces a smooth, simple look. Colors should appear neutral and consistent across the image. Adjust hue and saturation so nothing feels too bold. Keeping shadows lifted creates the flat, airy aesthetic that's central to minimalist styles. If photographing products, ensure lines and shapes are crisp by using selective sharpening, but avoid adding too much texture. Use a pure white or lightly tinted background to maintain a clean visual environment. If the image feels too empty, use subtle